Imagine walking through the streets of New York or London, glancing at a menu in a foreign language, and having it translated instantly in your ear without ever touching your phone. Or imagine taking a crystal clear 2K video of a sunset, hands-free, while your phone stays in your pocket. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie anymore. It's finally here. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are witnessing a massive shift in the wearable tech industry. Xiaomi has officially gone global with their 2026 smart glasses lineup, and honestly, Silicon Valley should be worried. We've seen the Ray-Ban Metas and the Bose frames, but Xiaomi is playing a completely different game. They've managed to pack a 12-megapixel camera, an AI assistant that actually works, and a battery life that doubles the competition into a frame that weighs less than a standard pair of Ray-Bans. In this video, we're doing a deep dive into the official release. We'll talk about the magic electrochromic lenses, the hidden privacy audio tech, and why these might just be the first pair of smart glasses you'll actually want to wear all day. If you've been waiting for the Meta killer, you need to watch this until the very end because the price point is going to shock you. Let's get into it. The biggest problem with smart glasses has always been that they look like smart glasses. They're usually bulky, heavy, and scream that they are a gadget. Xiaomi clearly got the memo. The 2026 Mijia smart audio glasses and the AI flagship models come in three distinct styles: titanium, pilot, and the classic brow line. The titanium variant is the real showstopper here. It weighs just 27.6 grams without lenses. To put that in perspective, that's lighter than many traditional high-end designer frames. The temples, the arms of the glasses, are only 5 millimeters thick. It's a feat of engineering. They've managed to cram dual 114 mAh batteries, 4 microphones, and a speaker system into a space thinner than a pencil. For my premium audience, you'll appreciate the magic lenses. These are electrochromic lenses that can change their tint in just 0.2 seconds. With a double tap on the frame, you go from clear indoor lenses to deep-tinted sunglasses. No more carrying 2 pairs of glasses or dealing with those awkward transition lenses that take forever to clear up. Now, let's talk about the AI flagship model, which is the direct rival to the Meta Ray-Bans. This version features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera powered by the Sony IMX681 sensor. It records 2K video at 30 frames per second with electronic image stabilization. But it's not just about the specs, it's about the integration. These glasses run on Xiaomi's HyperOS. If you're already in the Xiaomi ecosystem, the level of synergy here is unmatched. But even for iPhone and Android users in the US, the Super Xiao AI Global Assistant is a game changer. It features real-time translation for over 10 languages. Imagine you're at a business meeting in Tokyo. The glasses pick up the audio and whisper the English translation directly into your ear. It also features NutriScan. You can look at a plate of food, and the AI calculates the approximate calories and macros instantly. For the productivity-focused crowd, it can even record and summarize meetings, sending a text transcript to your phone the second you take the glasses off. Let's address the elephant in the room: sound leakage. No one wants the person standing next to them in the elevator to hear their private phone call. Xiaomi has introduced a reverse sound field technology. It uses inverted sound waves to cancel out audio leakage. The speakers are open ear, meaning nothing is inside your ear canal. This is perfect for city dwellers who need to stay aware of traffic while listening to a podcast. The audio quality is surprisingly rich, thanks to a 12.4 mm titanium diaphragm driver. While the bass isn't going to replace your over-ear Sony headphones, for a pair of glasses, the mids and highs are incredibly crisp. The microphone system is equally impressive. It uses a 5-mic array with bone conduction technology. It filters out wind noise up to 4.5 meters per second. So, if you're cycling through San Francisco or walking on a windy day in Chicago, your voice stays crystal clear on calls. One of the biggest complaints about the Ray-Ban Metas is that they die after about 4 hours of mixed use. Xiaomi has effectively solved this. The 2026 AI glasses are rated for 8.6 hours of active use and over 21 hours of standby. The charging system is proprietary but clever. It's a magnetic USB-C dongle that snaps onto the temples. A 10-minute emergency charge gives you about 4 hours of playback. This is huge for professionals who are on the move all day. And for those worried about durability? These aren't fragile toys. They have an IP54 rating, meaning they are dust and splash resistant. Whether it's a light rain in London or sweat during a morning jog, these frames can handle it. The hinges are made of aviation-grade titanium and are rated for 15,000 flexes. They are built to last as long as your actual prescription glasses. So, what's the damage to your wallet? Xiaomi is known for aggressive pricing, but they've truly outdone themselves here. The standard Mijia smart audio glasses are launching globally at approximately $179 to $199 depending on the frame. The high-end AI glasses with the 2K camera and electrochromic lenses are positioned around $280 to $350. When you compare that to the premium pricing of other pro wearables, Xiaomi is offering twice the tech for nearly half the price. They are available now through official global retail partners and online stores. The 2026 Xiaomi smart glasses aren't just an iteration, they are a statement. They prove that smart eyewear can be stylish, functional, and actually useful in our daily lives without being an eyesore. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or a professional who needs hands-free productivity, these are currently the gold standard. But what do you think? Is the 2K camera and 8-hour battery enough to make you ditch your Ray-Bans? Or are you still waiting for full AR displays? Let me know in the comments below, I read every single one. If you found this breakdown helpful, do us a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to TechVibe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.